Hello friends, Namaste and welcome to the oliveboard platform. Once again, we are here. I am here with another episode of Winner series, right? So in this series, we discuss mixed questions, different type questions from different chapters, right? We have different flavors of the questions, right? And we learn new and various concepts which are most beneficial from the exam point of view, right? And we are also learn various approaches, exam approaches, what can be the best exam approach, right? How we can take the questions, how we can do the questions in the exam. So these things we are going to learn over here. So my dear friends, this is Vipin Sharma, one of the quant educator at oliveboard platform. Once again, I welcome you from the chorus core of my heart. So let's begin with the session. So here we go. First question is on your screen. Tell me what is the answer of this question. Yes, please. Yes, everyone. Yes, tell me what is the answer of this question. See, here we have to add two or more than two fractions, right? When we are going to add the fractions, right? So what is the traditional approach? So traditional approach is just take the LCM of all denominator values, right? Then add up, right? So if we are going to follow that, right? So we are sure we are not going to solve this question in within a minute, right? So it will take 1 or 2 or 3 minutes, right? It depends on the calculating or calculation efficiency, right? But my dear friends, if we know the basic concept or basic understanding of the fraction, so we can solve it without any calculation, right? Without any calculation, we can solve it in just 2 to 3 seconds only, right? So just focus on this. See, before solving this, let me tell you one thing, right? Every fraction has two aspects, right? Every fraction means every fraction has its own two aspects. One is positive and another is negative. I mean to say, I can split factors. Just take the two factors which have one difference. So we don't have, right? So we can say that we can split in two parts, that is 3 into 5. Here the difference is what? 2. Here the difference is what? 2. See, if I split in two parts, 1 by 3 minus 1 by 5, right? So what we will get? We will get here, see, 5 and 3 LCM is 15, right? So here I will get 5 and here I will get 3, right? So we can say that 2 by 15. So here 2 by 15 can be split in two parts, 1 by 3 and 1 by 15. See, I am just saying that if I take 1 upon, see, if I take 1 upon let's say 12, right? 1 upon 12. See, 1 upon 12 is any fraction, right? So we can break it into parts, right? So just take a factor which difference is in numerator, right? So how much difference? 1. So we can say that 3 into 4 is equal to 12. Now we can easily break it, 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4, right? So after solving this, 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4, I will get 1 by 12, right? This is very clear. I think now the concept is clear. See, so what we have to make sure that in numerator, the difference of factors which we are going to or in which we are going to split the denominator value. See, I am saying that I can split the denominator number in two parts, right? Like 3 into 5, right? 35 can be split 5 into 7. We can split in 7 into 9. 99 can be split in 9 into 11 and 11 into 13, right? So in all we have difference of 2, right? So each pair of factor of each denominator is having difference of 2. So what we need to do, just divide by the difference and multiply by the difference, right? So we have difference of 2, so we can say that 1 upon 2, we can write this 2 by 15 plus 2 by 35 plus 2 by 63 plus 2 by 99 plus 2 by 143, right? We can write this. Now we can easily split in two parts, right? So we can split it 1 by 2, now bracket 1 by 3 minus 1 by 5, right? Plus 1 by 5 minus 1 by 7 plus 1 by 7 minus 1 by 9 plus 1 by 9 minus 1 by 11 plus 1 by 11 minus 1 by 13, right? So we can write this C. So we can say that the second fraction is get cancelled by the third. Minus 1 by 5 is get cancelled by 1 by 5. Minus 1 by 7 is get cancelled by plus 1 by 7, right? So these are getting cancelled, right? So what we get the positive aspect of the first fraction and negative aspect of the last fraction. So we can say that 1 upon 2 bracket 1 by 3 minus 1 upon 13. Is this clear? So easily we can say that here the LCM is going to be what? LCM is going to be what? So we can say that LCM is 39, right? Yes, LCM is what? 39. So 13. So here I will get 13 minus 3, right? So we will get what? We will get 1 by 2 into 10 by 39. So answer is 5 by 39. 5 by 39 is the right answer. 5 by 39 is the right answer. So just correct it. 5 by 39 is the right answer. 5 by 39 is the right answer. Yes. Is this clear? So very good question. So directly we can say that just cancel these parts, right? So they are getting cancelled. So take 1 upon difference of factors. Then 1 upon positive part of the first minus negative part of the last, right? So just solve this, right? So moving forward, tell me what is the answer of this question. Yes, please. Everyone, try this question. See, we have to try very hard to clear each and every hurdle, right? Once the hurdle is cleared, right, then we feel free, right? We feel liberated. Got the point? But for clearing one, we can say to clearing one hurdle, we really have to give a good try, right? So tell me what is the answer of this question. See, if 9 digits number 389x6378y is divisible by 72, is divisible by 72, then the value of, then what is the value of 6x plus 7y? Then what is the value of 6x plus 7y? See, for checking the divisibility rule for 72, so we can say that the number must be divisible by 8 and 9. 8 and 9. 8 into 9, that is 72. If any number which is completely divisible by 8 and 9 both, right? 8 and 9 both. So that number is going to be divisible by 72. This is for sure, right? So we can say that for checking the divisibility of 8, so last 3 digit, see, last 3 digit must be divisible by 8. So just take the last 3 digit. So what are the last 3 digit? So last 3 digits are 7, 8 and y. 7, 8 and y. So we can say that 8 9s are 72, right? So we will get here 6. Now what number we should take for y so that it is completely divisible by 8? So we can say that when we are going or reading 8 table, right? So we will get 64, right? So unit digit must be 4 when we have 6 at the 10th digit, right? So 64 is completely divisible. So we can take y is equal to 4, right? So in place of y we can take 4 so that the number will be completely divisible by 8, right? So we can say that the value for y is going to be 4, right? So value for y is going to be 4, right? So now check for the 9. Now check for the right 9. Okay. So just see, for 9 we can say that the numbers are what? 3, 8, 9, x, 6, 3, 7, 8. Now take 4 in place of y, right? See, for the divisibility of 9, the sum of all digits of the number must be divisible by the 9, right? If sum of all the digits number is divisible by the 9, so we can easily say that that number is going to be divisible by 9 for sure, right? So just removing our pain, or we can say removing or reducing our efforts, I should say reducing our efforts, we are removing the numbers which are completely divisible by 9. See, 9 is divisible by 9, just ignore it, right? 6 and 3, 9 divisible, yes. So we can say that 8 and 7, 15, 15 and 3, 18. So this is completely divisible by 9, okay, no problem. See, 8 and 4, how much? So we will get 12. So out of 12, 9 is divisible, so we can say that 3 is left, right? So 3 plus x must be equal to 9 or multiple of 9. So 9, 18. So not possible to take 2-digit number, right? Only single digit number can we take at place of x, right? So we can say that the sum of both must be equal to 9. So we are going to take 6, right? So we can say that the value for x is going to be 6. Now substitute value for x and y in the required. Question is demanding what is the value for 6x plus 7y, right? So just substitute value for x and 7 in this, right? So we can say that x and y, the value for x is 6, so 6 into 6, and the value for y is 4, right? So we can say that 6 into 6 is going to be 36, and 7 into 4, that is 28. So we can say that 8 and 6, this is going to be 14, carry 1. So 3 and 3, 6. So 64 is the right answer. D dear devil is the right answer. I hope this is very much clear to you all, right? Okay. I hope this is very much clear to you all. So my dear friends, moving forward, now tell me what is the answer for this question? Yes, please. See, question is saying the area of a square is 36 centimeter square. Find the area of a square formed by joining the midpoint of its sides. See, a square is a figure which all sides are equal, right? We all know that the all sides of a square are equal, right? No problem in this. Yes, we all know the all sides are equal, right? If its area, if I say that the side is A, right? So each side is A. So we know that area is what? A square. A square is equal to 36. So we can say that A is going to be 6, right? A is going to be 6. So value for A is equal to 6. So we can say that the side is going to be 6, right? Just take the midpoint of each side. So we can say that if joining the midpoint, we will get A square, right? So we can say that, see, the side of a square is the diagonal of the square which we obtained after joining the midpoint, right? So whatever figure or whatever square we are getting after joining the midpoint, see, PQR, PQRS. So these are the midpoint, right? So after joining the midpoint, we get a square. So the diagonal is equal to diagonal of new, or we can say the square we formed by joining the midpoint, the diagonal of new square is equal to side of original square, right? So need not to write this, right? Just to making you understand, right? So I'm just writing. So we can say that the diagonal, you know what is the diagonal of? So we can say that root 2 into side. So this is equal to what? So this is equal to 6, right? So we can say that the side of newly formed square is going to be 6 divided by root 2, right? Now the question is asking find the area. So area of, or we can say that area of new square, right? So the area of new square is going to be 6 by root 2 square, right? So we can say that 36 divided by 2, so this is going to be 18. Is this clear? Yes, so 18 is the right answer. So this is the basic concept, right? If we know the fact that the square obtained by joining the midpoint of the original square, so we can say that the ratio of area, right? So the ratio of area is always equal to 1:2, right? 1:2. 1 is for new or square joined after the midpoint, right? And 2 for original. So directly we can say that 2 is equal to 36. So it is 18 times. So 1 is going to be 18 centimeter square, right? So directly, if you know that the square obtained by joining the midpoint, right? So ratio of previous or initial square and the square obtained after joining the midpoint is just half, right? So directly we can say that the half of 36 is going to be 18. So no need to do such drama or such calculation, right? So directly I can mark the answer. Now tell me what is the answer of this question. Yes, please. Very good, very interesting question. Tell me what is the answer for this. See, in the given diagram, if angle BAC is equal to 30 degree, angle BAC is equal to 30 degree, angle ABC is equal to 50 degree, angle ABC is equal to 50 degree, and CDE is equal to 25 degree. CDE is equal to 25 degree. AED is equivalent to AED. See, we can say that in triangle ABC, angle ACD is external and the measurement of external angle is always equal to sum of opposite interior. Yes, so we can say that angle ACD is equal to 30 plus 50, right? So this is going to be 80 degree. And now angle AED is external angle for triangle ECD. So this is going to be equal 80 plus 25. So we can say that this is equal to 105 degree. So 105 degree is the right answer. 105 degree is the right answer. A part is the right answer. Yes, A part is the right answer. A part is the right answer. Okay, no problem. So moving forward, tell me what is the answer of this question. Yes, please. See, question is saying a metal part of a machine is made from a mixture of copper, zinc and lead in the ratio of copper, zinc and lead is 13:6:1. If the weight of the zinc in it is 90 kg, right? The weight of the zinc is 90 kg. Here is 6 unit, right? So what will be the weight of total weight? See, the total weight is what? So we can say that the total weight is going to be 13 plus 6, 19 plus 1, 20, right? So we can say that 6 is equal to what? 6 is equal to 90. So how many time it is? So we can say that it is 15 time, right? So this is going to be 15 times. So into 15. So 15 into 2. So we can say that 300 kg, right? So 300 kg is the right answer. 300 kg is the right answer. So C part is the right answer. 300 kg is the right answer. C part is the right answer. Yes, very easy question. So moving forward, now tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please. Yes, please. Everyone requested to write the answer in the comment box. So please write the answer in the comment box. Yes, please. Everyone. So please do participate in the discussion. See, if you are not hitting the question, so how you can learn, right? Understanding comes only after hitting again and again, right? Hitting means reading, doing. So two vessels have mixture of milk and water in the ratio 1:2. See, we have two vessels and the ratio of milk and water is what? 1:2. So vessel 1, in vessel 2, we have ratio 2:3, right? So both the mixture are mixed together in the ratio 3:4. See, the condition is we have to mix both mixture in the ratio 3:4. See, when we have to mix two type of mixture or more than two type of mixture in a particular ratio, so what we need to do? The first step is we have to check the total quantity of given mixture is same or not, right? See, here the total quantity of mixture is in first vessel is 3 unit and in the second it is 5, right? Now the question is saying we have to mix both mixture in the ratio 3:4, right? So we have to take 3 unit from the first and 4 unit from the second. But before taking or before doing the operation, we have to ensure that the total quantity of both vessel must be equal, right? So first of all, we have to make them equal. The total quantity must be equal. To make them equal, just multiply. See, 3 and 5 are the co-prime numbers, so the LCM would be 15. So to make 15, we have to multiply here by 5 and here we have to multiply 3, right? So now both are 15. So here we can say that first is 15, second is 15, right? So we have to mix them in the ratio of 3:4. So just multiply here 3 and multiply here 5. Just take 3 unit from the first, 4 unit from the second. So we can say that in total we are going to multiply in the first by 15, right? So just multiply here by 15, multiply here by 15. In this second ratio, each term just multiply by 12, right? So now we can add them up, right? Because whatever condition given in the question, we have satisfied this condition. Now the condition is satisfied. If the condition is satisfied, then in that case mixing means adding, right? So now we can add up. So milk is going to be 15 plus 24 and 30 plus 36. So we can say that it is going to be 39 and this is going to be 66, right? So both terms are getting cancelled by 3, right? Both are lying on the table 3. So on the table 3, it is cancelled 13 times or it is cancelled 22 times. So we can say that 13:22. 13:22 is the right answer. A part is the right answer. Yes, A part is the right answer. A is the right answer. So moving forward. See, I cannot be the apple polisher, right? If there is something, I must say, right? I should say, because this is the job of teacher, to finding the fault, correcting the fault, right? Motivating the students, but not be the apple polisher. If you are not doing the job, if you are not studying, so for sure you are just keeping yourself in the dark, right? No one is going to help you and you will not come off with the flying colors. If you want to come off with the flying colors, it means you have to put your hard work, you have to do your hard work, right? Otherwise you wouldn't be able to come off with the flying colors. Yes, Krishna. So moving forward, see, this is very good question, right? So we can say that, see, 3 bottles of the same capacity. The capacity of the bottle is same. So we can say that the total capacity of one bottle is what? 100%. The total capacity of one bottle So we can say that 100%. So we have three bottles. We have three bottles, right? So in first 30% orange juice, right? And second 40% orange juice, and third 25% orange juice. So we can say that the total, in total three bottles we have what? So we have 30 plus 40, 70, 70 plus 25 what? 70 plus 25, 95%. So we can say that 95% or 95% portion of the all three bottles together is going to be orange juice, right? See, total bottle 100, so we can say that 300. So out of 300, whatever quantity is left, so that is going to be apple one, right? So 300 minus 95, so we can say that 205% is juice, apple juice. So the question is asking apple juice is what percent of the total? Simply 205 divided by 300 into 100. So we can say that 3 6 is 18, right? How much is left? 2. So 3 8 is 24, 1 by 3%. So 68 whole 1 upon 3%. 68 whole 1 upon 3% is the right answer. D daredevil is the right answer. Yes, D daredevil is the right answer. So the portion or percentage of apple juice. So the portion of apple juice in the new mixture is going to be 68 whole 1 upon 3%. Right? Yes. So moving forward, now tell me what is the answer of this question. Yes, please. Salary of Mohit is 60% more than Vijay. Very easy question. The salary of Mohit is 60% more than Vijay. So we can say that Mohit's salary is 60% more than Vijay. So if I assume that the salary of Vijay, if the salary of Vijay is 100, so the salary of Mohit, right? So the salary of Mohit is going to be 60% more, means 160, right? If you want to calculate ratio, you can. So you can say that this is going to be 0, 0. So 8:5, right? Now, question is salary of Vijay is how much percent less than Mohit? See, salary of Vijay is how much percent less than? So it is 3 unit less than. So 3 unit less than from Mohit. Mohit is what? 8 into 100. So simply we can say that it is going to be 37.5%. 37.5% is the right answer. So D daredevil is the right answer. D daredevil is the right answer. Yes, guys. So moving forward, now tell me what is the answer of this question. Yes, please. Yes, Logesh, you are right. 37.5% is the right answer. Yes. Now tell me what is the answer of this question. Yes, please. See, in an examination, 47% passed in science and 51% failed in mathematics. If 42% failed in both subjects, what percentage passed in both the subjects? See, the question is asking both pass percentage, right? So here we can use the Venn diagram approach, right? Venn diagram approach we are going to use. So take first circle for science and another circle for mathematics, right? So I can say that, see, the green circle is going to be for science and orange, or we can say that saffron color is going to be for maths, right? See, in science total pass percentage is what? 47%, right? And in maths 51% failed. So fail how much? 51%. Okay, so for science we have pass percentage, for math we have fail percentage, and for both we have 42%. So it depends on the both portion, right? So we have both fail 42%, right? If both fail, so this data is representing both fail. It means we must take both circle for fail, right? So we have mathematics, we have fail for mathematics. So now we have to calculate the fail percentage for science, right? So we can say that if 47% passed in science, it means 53% failed in science, right? If 53% in overall failed in science and 42% failed in both, it means out of 53 we have taken 42. So how much left? So we can say that 11% failed only in science. See, 11% failed only in science, it means they are passing maths, right? So they are passing only math, right? So out of 51, 42 already taken in both fail, right? So how much left for who are failed only in math? So we can say that 51 minus 42, so 9%, right? So we can say that the total fail, right? Total fail means what? We can say fail in at least one subject, or we can say fail in at least one subject. So this is equal to 11% plus 42% plus 9%. So total is going to be what? 11, 9, 20. So this is 62%, right? So simply I can say that both pass percent is equal to 100% minus 62%. So 100% minus 62% is what? 38%, right? So 38% is the right answer. A part is the right answer. 38% is the right answer. Yes. Yes, 38 is the right answer. So moving next. Now tell me what is the answer for this question. See, this question belongs to algebra. AB is equal to 3 and A plus B is equal to 6 and AB, product of AB is 5. Then what is the value of AQ plus BQ? See, do we remember the formula of AQ plus BQ? See, AQ plus BQ is equal to A plus B whole cube minus 3AB bracket A plus B. Do you remember this formula? See, we know that A plus B whole cube is equal to AQ plus BQ plus 3ABC bracket A plus B. Just transfer this portion to the left side. So we will get AQ plus BQ is equal to A plus B whole cube minus 3AB. Just put the value. So we can say that AQ plus BQ is going to be equal, A plus B is how much? 6. So 6 cube minus 3 into 5 bracket 6. So we can say that 6 cube means 216 minus 15 into 6. 15 into 6 what? 90, right? So we can say that 6, 11 minus 9, that is 2. So 126 is the right answer. So C part is the right answer. 126 is the right answer. Yes. See, A is not the right answer. I think 126 is the right answer. I think 126 is the right answer. Yes. So moving forward, tell me what is the answer for this? Ramu can row 9 km per hour in still water. Still water means the speed of Ramu is only 9 km per hour, right? So this is the only speed of Ramu. It takes him twice as long as to row up as to row down the river. See, so we have the ratio of time for upstream and downstream, right? So he takes twice So 2 is to 1. So we can say that the ratio of speed is going to be what? 1 is to 2. But this speed ratio is for up and down. But we have to calculate the ratio of speed for Ramu and water, right? Ramu and water. So we know that the formula for calculating boat or man is going to be down plus up divided by 2, and for water it is down minus up divided by 2, right? So here we can calculate the ratio of speed from up and down. We can calculate the ratio of speed for Ramu and water just using this formula, right? So we can say that 2 plus 1 divided by 2 is to 2 minus 1 divided by 2. So by 2 cancel. So 2 plus 1 3, right? And 2 minus 1, that is 1. So the ratio of speed is going to be 3 is to 1. Ratio of speed is going to be 3 is to 1, right? 3 is to 1. So find the rate of stream. So the rate of stream C. So we can say that 3 is equal to 9 km per hour. So that is 3 times. So 1 is equal to what? Into 3. So we can say that 3 km per hour. 3 km per hour is the right answer. C is the right answer. C Chennai Express is the right answer. Yes. C Chennai Express is the right answer. So I hope this is very much clear. Okay, so moving forward, now tell me what is the answer of this question. Yes, please. So we are running short of time. So directly I can say that, see, the question is asking that what is the angle made by the angle bisector and perpendicular. See, whenever we have to calculate this angle, so this angle is going to be half of opposite vertex angle, right? Half of difference of opposite vertex angle. Half of difference of opposite vertex angle, right? Half of difference of opposite vertex angle, right? See, the angle between angle bisector and perpendicular, angle between angle bisector and perpendicular is always equal to half of the difference of opposite vertex angle. Half of the difference of opposite, or we can say remaining vertex angle, right? Opposite or remaining vertex angle, right? So we can say that this is equal to 1 upon 2 bracket angle C minus angle B. So this is the direct formula. Just learn this, right? So we can say that 50 minus 30 is equal to 1 by 2 into 20. So this is equal to 10 degree. So 10 degree is the right answer. Yes, 10 degree is the right answer. C part is the right answer. Yes, C is the right answer. C Chennai is the right answer. So this is all from my side, right? If you are preparing for the exam and if you want to prepare for yourself in a most curated way, right? Or we can say in systematic manner, right? So just what you want to need, just go to the oliveboard website. So after reaching to the website page, right, you will get this screen, right? So currently there is a 48% off on railway super subscription, right? So for availing this discount, you have to use the code FEST, F-E-S-T, right? Only then you will get the, so you have to use the code F-E-S-T, FEST, right? F-E-S-T, FEST code you have to use for this, right? So just cross this, right? So after crossing this, then click on the courses section, right? Once you click on the course section, you will get such kind of interface, right? So just scroll down. So in the fourth column, in the fourth row, you will get the English medium courses for SSC and railway. So we are having plenty of batches. We are having lots of batches, right? Currently running, still some are coming up, right? So we can say that the very fresh or very new batch is Railway Foundation 1.0. Railway Foundation 1.0, this is the batch if you are preparing for any railway exam, right? And you want to prepare yourself from the very scratch, or we can say that from the zero. So this batch is the best for you, because in this batch we are going to teach from the very basics to the top level. Everything will be covered, right? So we have enough time to complete the syllabus in a very systematic step by step way, right? Another batch we have selection batch. This is very fresh batch, and this is for those students who have already cleared tier 1 exam, right? See, answer key was out, result is out, and result has given surprise to us, right? The cutoff is very high. If cutoff is very high, it means competition is very tough, or I can assume that, or I can predict that the tier 2 exam is going to be little bit moderate to hard. Only then we can break the bottleneck, right? So if you want to break the bottleneck, if you want to cross the bottleneck, right? So what you need to, you can join this selection batch. So in this selection batch, we will quickly revise the complete syllabus, and we will have curated questions from each topic which are based on the latest pattern. So my dear friends, this batch is going to boost your confidence. This batch is going to boost your confidence to the next level, right? So there is no doubt in this, right? And another we have SSC Foundation batch 3.0, 3.0, which has already started. Basic from the top level we are going to cover through this batch. So my dear friends, this is all from my side. So I come live at 5 p.m. sharp on daily basis. So don't forget to catch me, because that is most important from the exam point of view, from the preparation point of view. So that's all for today. Thank you guys. Thank you very much. Like and subscribe this channel. Thank you guys. Jai Hind.